What's up, guys? So I thought it would be right to do my own video unboxing my own ThreadBeast package. So let's go ahead and check it out. The only reason I'm doing this is because I've seen other people do it, and I thought that it's only right that I do the same thing and show people what I got. And I don't know, I just been hearing good and bad, I guess. So I don't know, I guess everybody has a different experience. Some people didn't like some of the things they got. Well, let's find out if I like what I get. So I got the package for what was it, the $80 70 something package, just to start, to see how it comes out. So it comes like this. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, alright, let's check it out. Oh shoot, they threw me a hat up in there. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. Let's check it out. Oh shoot, look, see? Not too, I guess it's a cool little hat. Can't complain, right? Alright, let's see what else is up in here. Oh shoot, so we got some like briefs going on there. PSD, not sure what brand that is. Not sure what brand the hat is either. But it's something out there. So let's see what else we got. Billabong. That's an older brand, I remember. It's a pretty decent shirt. Can't complain, can't complain. Let's see if it's the right size. Yep, that's gonna fit me. I like it. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got a sweater. Oh, a diamond sweater. Oh boy. Look at that. It's not too bad. And a little different colors than I'm used to, but that's a nice sweater. Let's see. They got the sizes right, so that's pretty cool. I like that. It's a nice sweater. If you guys see it, it's pretty cool. Tag and all, good condition. I like it. And a pair of pants. And Society. Not sure, not familiar with that brand. Maybe you guys are. Oh shoot, look at that. A nice pair of pants. I like that. Let's see the size. Yeah, it should fit. Nice. Well, it's a good little package. Got a little card. Free package giveaway rules. Just got some details on there, I guess, how to get another package, I guess. I like it. Let's see what else. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. It's a nice little package there. Got a little sticker that comes with it. So look at. Yeah, it's overall it's a pretty decent package. So I'm happy with that. I guess we'll have to see what happens in the next package, huh? I did put other brand. I put Supreme, Diamond, Adidas, LRG. I guess you don't get everything you want, but they kind of get as close as they can. So, yep, that's my package. Thank you guys for tuning in. I give it a good 9 out of 10. I like it. I'm happy with the package, so I recommend you guys go ahead and try it out. I mean, that's the only way you'll find out is if you get one for yourself and check it out. But I'm happy with mine. So thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And thank you.